Yeah, fine. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. So, how's your preparation going on?
Sir, it's going on nice.
MashaAllah. Only one, only one student said this. What about the remaining students? Are they not starting yet?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Salam. I'm saying that students, your preparation is started for the test or not?
Yes, sir.
Started.
Sir,
Started?
only one chapter is coming in chemistry and I have learned it very nicely.
MashaAllah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
MashaAllah. So, students, please prepare the test very much thoroughly. Okay, go through the lines. I'm saying again. And the last class, I listen. Class first. Listen, class. The last class said that you should prepare for the test very well. Okay? For that, you have to read each and every line. Okay, carefully, so that you can do the question easily. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Another thing which is very important regarding your assessment test is that you should write the answers, okay, to the point. Okay, you should write the answers according to the given questions. Okay, just write to the point.
Sir, of chemistry.
Yes, in chemistry. Okay, your first chapter is coming only in chemistry, so you do it carefully. Okay. If you have any
Sir, my
problem,
question is complete.
yes,
Sir, you are not.
yes, I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Mashallah. So, students,
Yes, sir.
in first chapter, do you have any kind of doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So, in the last class, I also said that prepare these tables also page number 17. Okay, and also uh, read it carefully so that you can able to do all the questions. These questions may be in between the lines also, so you should know the definitions of everything: pure substance, elements, compound, mixtures. Okay, what are molecules? Okay, what are the different states of matter, and what are the properties, in which state there you should find definite shape, definite volume. Okay, which state you have find Brownian motion is negligible, and in which state it is considerable, in which state it is very high. So in this way you can do very well in the examination assessment test. Is it clear, all of you, class?
Yes, sir.
Mashallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to start chapter number 2. Okay, that is physical and chemical changes. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, please, friends, open page number 24.
Yes.
You opened?
Sir, open.
Opened? MashaAllah. Everyone opened page number 24?
Yes, sir.
Mashallah.
Yes, sir. Opened.
Okay, MashaAllah. Okay, so what is this chapter? This chapter is chemical
Sir,
and
your voice
physical.
is so slow. Physical.
Now it is a physical and chemical change. Second chapter is physical and chemical change. Okay. So students, what is change? What is change?
Sir, may I tell what is change?
Yes, you tell me.
Can I tell? Sir, change means a thing physically or chemically changes its form from one form to another.
Okay, very good,
Sir,
Iman.
yes, transfer of one substance to another is called the change.
Okay,
सर
mashallah, very
किताब नहीं
good.
मिल रही है
What happened?
Sir,
Yes.
If
अबे यार
in the
किताब कौन सी ली गई?
in the book, one definition is given: change is a fundamental law of nature. Change is a transformation of a substance from one form to another. Different types of changes happen around us, such as sunrise,
Okay.
sunset, day, night, season,
Mm,
growth of
very good.
plants, growth
Okay,
of
listen,
babies.
listen to me now. Listen to me. Okay. Yes, class. What is change? Change is a fundamental law of nature. Means it is a law of nature that changes takes place. Okay, change means transformation. Okay, from one uh, type to another type. There is some change from one shape to another shape. There is a change from one uh, way to another way. There is a change. Okay, you see changes in our surroundings, like day changes into night. Okay, seasons are changed. Now summer is going on. After few months, then winter comes. Okay, then rainy season in between winter and summer. So there are changes, and our growth is increasing daily on daily basis. Our ages are increasing. Okay, so these are all changes. You see, when a kid is small, then it become an adult. So this is also a change. So there are, you when you plant a tree, after few years it will become uh, a huge big tree. Okay, so these are the changes which you come across in your daily life. Or when you are making curd from milk, this is also a change. Firstly, this that was a milk, and then after some time it turns into curd. So this is also a change. So is it clear to everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. So
Yes, sir, it's clear.
okay, mashallah, I am reading. Change is a fundamental law of nature. Okay, a change is a transformation of substance from one form to another form. Yani, it means that substance is changing from one to another form. This is called a transformation, or we can say that it is a change. So different types of changes are taking place in our day-to-day life. That is sunrise, sunset, day and night, seasons, growth, everything. Okay, these are changes. So uh, there are so many types of changes. So we are categorized so that we can easily understood what type of change it is. Okay, so changes are categorized in many ways, like natural change or man change. Natural,
Magnitude.
man-made. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
One of the type of change is natural change or man-made. Natural means which is governed by nature. The change which is governed by nature, or nature is responsible for the change that happens, is called natural change. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
like
sir.
we like beta, we don't have any potential, or we don't have any energy to interrupt in between the seasons. Okay, we do not have any right to interrupt in between our ages. So these are natural changes. This happens. You don't able to stop these changes. Okay, so these are natural changes, like seasons. Okay, weathering of rocks. Okay, for occurrence of day and night. So these changes are natural changes. Okay, and another kind of changes, man-made changes. Man-made changes are those changes which man has a power to do some changes in it. Okay, the man's action is responsible for that change. Like we are able to cook the food. Okay, we are firstly the food is raw, then we cook it to make it eatable. So we are give a change to food. Okay, so this change is a man-made change. Okay, construction of roads, buildings. Okay, these are cutting down of trees. These are the man-made changes. Is it clear, everyone? Class, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
Yes,
So,
sir. It's
yeah.
clear.
Khan Abdullah, Khan Abdullah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Khan Abdullah, please you tell me about the man-made change and natural change. Again, which I just told you. You tell me in your own words.
Sir, man-made change are the changes which are done by man. Sir, like wood is there, we are making furniture with that. That
Okay.
will be a man-made change.
Okay,
And
very good,
physical
very good.
change, sir. Physical change, sir, like
No,
ice.
I'm not asking physical change. I'm asking
Oh,
about
sir,
just
natural,
man-made and natural only.
natural. Sir, natural change, like sir, plant is a small plant is there that changes into a big tree. That
Okay.
change is known as natural change.
That change is known as natural change. Okay. Yes. Ariba Khan. Ariba Khan. Ariba Khan, you there? Are you there, Ariba Khan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, you understood these two things.
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. Ariba, just tell me about what do you understood by slow change and fast change in your own words. Don't go through the book. You just tell me in your own words about slow change and the fast change.
Sir, sir, sir,
Yes.
sir, can I tell?
Slow
Sir,
change.
can I?
No, no, no.
Sir, can I tell?
Ariba, are you there? Ariba, are you telling? Yes, who is telling? Faria Javed.
Sir,
Sir, I am telling.
Okay, you
sir,
tell
I am
me.
telling.
Tell.
Sir,
Yes,
slow
sir.
change. Sir, I am saying. Sir, slow change are those change like the growth of a child, and fast change that I have broken a wood. This is the fast change of a thing.
Sir, may
Okay.
I
Is
tell?
it right?
Sir,
Okay.
can I
Yes,
tell?
yes, you tell me.
Shall I?
Faria Javed, you tell me. Faria.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
slow change is a change which occurs slowly.
Okay.
Like if we heat oil on a pan, so it will take time to heat.
Okay.
And fast change is a change which occurs fast, like we are burning a piece of paper, so
Hmm.
it catches the fire so fast.
So in short, we can say that that slow change is that change, beta, in which we have to take a long period to that happen. Okay, the change that occurs for a long period after a long period. Okay, that is a slow change. For example, uh, ripening of fruit. Okay, it takes a lot of time. It takes few months for ripen a fruit. Okay, when rusting, you see rusting of iron, it takes several days, several months also. In rainy season, you see rusting there. So it is a slow change also. Growing of a baby into an adult, it is a slow change. And what is a fast change, which takes place in very short duration of time. Okay, that is a fast change. Like when we fire a cracker, then the cracker starts. Okay, so this is a fast change. Okay, then when we start burning a candle, or we start open a gas stove and let it, then it start burning. So this is also a fast change. And another thing is that when we make bubbles, okay, you see in exhibitions and all these bubbles are selling all around. So when you blow air, the bubbles comes out. So this is a fast change. Okay, so you all understood about slow change and fast change, all of you class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
mashallah,
sir.
Sir.
mashallah, very good, mashallah. So these two four things are clear to you: natural change, man-made change, slow change, and fast change. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, all four of them are clear.
Oh, mashallah. Yes, Juvaria, you please, Juvaria,
Yes, sir.
Juvaria, please, you tell me about a periodic change and non-periodic change. What first? Tell me what this periodic means.
Okay, sir, I'm telling.
Yes, Joel, you please tell me.
So
What is
a periodic change is a change that happens regularly,
regularly?
and it has a means regularly means half time, or you can say like that,
No,
like day and night.
means listen to me, Joel. Regularly means it takes after a certain interval of time. Okay, that this thing is repeated after 5 hours daily. So this is a periodic. Okay, at every 5 hours, this thing is repeated. Okay, at every 24 hours, day is changed into another day. Okay, so this is we can say that fixed time is allotted for that change. So this is a
Yes, sir.
periodic
A
change.
fixed time is there for periodic changes, and non-periodic change in that
There is no fixed
means
time.
there is no fixed time. It can happen anytime,
It can
like
happen.
volcanic eruption,
Okay,
earthquake.
you can say raining also rain. It can
Yes,
happen anytime.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir.
so you can it is understood. Periodic and
Yes, sir.
non-periodic. Yes, Ataul Ghalib.
Yes.
Ataul Ghalib, please come online. Ataul Ghalib. Ataul Ghalib. Ataul Ghalib, are you there? Okay, Khan Abdullah. Khan Abdullah.
Sir.
Faria Javed, you tell me. Faria Javed.
Yes, sir.
Faria Javed, you tell me what do you mean by periodic change? Periodic change.
Sir, in periodic change, the time is repeated regularly interval, like
Okay,
a whole day.
okay.
And in non-periodic change, it is not repeated.
No, no, it is things can
Sir, no, it is repeated but not at a regular
at a
interval.
regular interval. Yes, this is important thing in periodic and non-periodic. Take regular interval means periodic, and non-regular interval means non-periodic. Okay, this is just two things you have to remember. Regular interval means
Yes, sir.
periodic change. Non-regular interval means happens at any time. No fixed. It happens today. It can happen tomorrow. So it can happen in the evening. So there is no fixed time. But rotation of Earth. Okay, day changes. Change of a day. This happens after fixed interval of time. Okay, rotation of Earth. Okay, so summer comes after a certain fixed time. So this is a periodic change. Okay, change of seasons you can say. So is it clear to you? Periodic change and non-periodic change. I'm saying again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Khan Abdullah, you are not responding to me. Khan Abdullah. Khan Abdullah, still you are not responding me. I am calling you twice, thrice. Okay, Abdullah, you are not responding. Yes, Alia, are you there? Alia,
Can I,
Alia.
sir? Can I?
Yes, you.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Yes, yes. You tell. Ayman Raza.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Physical changes and chemical changes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, what happens in physical changes that when, for example, physical change is the change in substance, like we change the state of substance and then we can renew it once again. For example, ice. If we melt it, and then we can if we melt it, and then when we'll freeze it, so it will reform. It will take its place again. But in chemical change, what happens that when we burn or when we change the shape of something, so it will never come back. For example, we we are cooking vegetables, so we cannot renew the vegetables again as in physical change. So this is the difference between both of them.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed Saad Khan, are you there? Mohammed Saad Khan.
Yes, sir.
Saad Khan, yes, you tell me physical and chemical change. Go through the book, read 25 page number. Read it, physical and chemical change, and then explain me.
Sir,
Yes.
a physical change in which the chemical composition of the substance
Hmm.
remains unchanged. Sir,
Yep.
for example, folding and cutting of paper, sublimation, drying of clothes, and sir, etc. And chemical change, and so chemical change is a change in which the chemical composition of a substance changes, and so it is called a chemical change. So, for example, curdling of milk, burning of wood, ripening of fruits,
Yes,
spoiling of
Faria
food.
Javed, are you there? Faria Javed.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I?
Faria,
Sir, can I?
who is saying can I? Umar. First, Faria, you tell me physical change.
So physical change is a change in which the composition is not being changed.
That's very good.
Like
First of
if
all,
we are
yes, physical change is that in which chemical compositions remain unchanged. This is the basic difference. Okay. So first tell me this is a basic difference. And in chemical changes, there is a change in chemical composition. So these are the basic difference between physical
There
and
and
chemical.
chemical change. And in physical change, the
Can you
substance that is
explain one more time chemical
included
change and
and
physical change?
So
chemical
shouting,
substance, the physic the
Mazen, yes, you tell me, Mazen.
in chemical change.
Yes, sir.
Mazen, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you tell.
Sir, question. Please repeat the question.
You are not in the class attentive. You're not attentive in the class. I am asking the students about physical and chemical change.
Sir, please can I tell?
Okay, yes, Juvaria, you tell.
Sir,
Right?
the difference between
Sir,
physical and chemical change is physical change is a change in which its chemical composition did not changes, but
Yes.
its state changes from one state to another. Like
Means it
if
means
we
means
make ice,
means that no new substance is formed or new substance is formed.
yes, sir, no new substance is formed.
Only shape
In
only.
physical change, we can take ice and water.
Okay.
When we melt water, so when we melt ice, it became water.
Hmm.
But when we freeze ice, when we freeze water, it becomes ice. So it's physical change, and the chemical change is when we cook food.
Hmm.
So we cannot take its substances out and make the fruit, make the vegetables and everything like before.
Okay.
Means
Means
it's have been
means
chemically changed, so we cannot make it like before.
okay. So this this thing is clear to you, all of you?
yes sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah, very good, all of you. So I am asking question to so class curding of milk is a physical change or a chemical change?
Chemical change.
Chemical change.
Chemical change.
Okay,
Chemical change.
and
Change.
very good. And
So
melting.
Chemical
Yes,
change.
okay, yes, understood.
Sir,
I
chemical change.
exactly. So and melting of butter.
So
So
physical change.
physical change.
Sir, physical change.
Sir,
Okay,
physical change.
okay, okay. Very good class. So these topics are clear to you, all of you. Natural change, man-made change, slow
Yes,
change,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
fast change,
Yes, sir.
periodic
Yes,
change,
Yes, sir.
non-periodic change,
yes, sir.
chemical change,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
chemical
sir.
change.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah.
Yes.
So yes,
Clocks.
anyone in the class having some confusion over to today's topic?
Yes.
No,
No,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
can you
No,
please
sir.
tell
No,
once
sir.
No, sir.
again? Your voice is not
No
clear.
confusion.
Okay, I'm saying it again that today's topic is clear to everyone about the changes and different types
Yes,
of
sir.
changes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so can I? Yes,
Sir, can I ask you a question of from chapter number 1?
exactly. Why not? Yes, ask me.
Sir, in the long question answers,
Okay,
question number 4, draw diagram. So, sir, which diagram we have to make in it?
draw diagram
So
showing
may
the
I tell?
listen. Yes, you tell who is telling.
The
Yes.
sir, we have to draw that bottle one diagram.
Okay.
Like there was a one bottle drawn,
Okay.
and in that
Beta,
it was
listen,
told.
listen, listen. Go to page number 17. Okay. There are
Yes, sir.
there are three cuboidal shape diagram. Okay. Three cuboids are there
Okay, sir.
in which particles are made. In one diagram, particles are separated. They are moved. They are far apart. In the second diagram, particles are little closer. Okay. And in the
Yes,
third
sir, I got it.
in the third diagram, particles are very closely packed. So in this way, you can distinguish between the particles, or in this way, you can show dramatically about the interparticle spaces among solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, but is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir, just I got it.
Okay, beta, so I am again asking some questions from chapter number 1 so that you can easily understood all each and every concept so that you will able to get highest marks in the class. Okay, or a score full out of full.
Sir, can you please tell once again? Your voice was not clear.
Beta, I am saying that I am going to ask some questions from chapter number 1 so that your preparation will be better, and in this way you can also, if you are having some confusion, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So again, I'm saying that no one shout in between. I am asking to particular person. That particular person will answer only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Umar, you
Okay, sir.
were saying you are raising hand. What happened? Okay. No, no. Yes. I am asking first question to Alia. Alia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alia, can I ask you the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Tell me. Only Alia will answer. No will going to answer in between. Okay. What are the conditions which are responsible for the interconversion of matter? Alia, your time now.
Anyone please send me chapter 1 PDF of chemistry?
Yes, what I saying? Alia, you answer me first.
Please send me PDF of chemistry. Because
You
anywhere chemistry book is not available.
Uh, Alia, I'm saying that what are the factors, what are the conditions which are responsible to change of one state to another state? Afsha, you tell me. Afsha,
Don't know.
Afsha. Yes, Alia, you're telling me or not? Or I can
Sir,
ask
I don't
Afsha.
know.
Okay.
What?
Afsha, you tell me what are the conditions which are responsible for a matter to change from one state to another state?
Sir, their particles are changed.
No, beta. I am saying you are not understood the question. I think I am saying that if you are changing state of matter, means from you are changing from solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, or gas to liquid again. So what
Sir,
things?
sir, I'm not getting your voice.
So
Sir,
what?
may I tell?
Yes, you tell.
Sir,
Sir, if we want a solid to be converted
so
into
your
a
voice is
liquid, the
coming cut,
process
cut, cut.
will be melting, then to uh, solid to gas,
Hmm.
sublimation, and gas to liquid condensation.
Beta, listen to me. All of you class, please listen to me. I think you all know the answer, but you are not understanding me the question. Okay. So class, I know that you know the answer, but you are not able to
Sir,
understand
sir,
the. Yes,
your voice is not audible. We can't. I can't hear you.
It
beta.
is
Other,
audible.
other students are audible. They're responding me. Please check your speakers. Check your connection. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. I am saying that what are the factors or what are the conditions which are responsible to change of a state of matter? Means you are changing
Sir,
state. Listen to me first. Listen to me. No, listen to me first, everyone. Okay, I mute everyone. You listen to me first. I am saying that if you want to change state of matter, means you are changing state, yeah, from solid to liquid, or from liquid to gas, or from gas to liquid. What you are doing, you are changing the temperature. Either you are heating it or you are cooling it. Okay, these two conditions and one condition more, that is change in pressure. So for any change, listen again, for the any change to takes place in changing a state of matter, three things are responsible. That is change in temperature, it means you are heating it or you are cooling it. These two things, and there is a change of pressure. Okay, so three things always remember: pressure, heating, or cooling. These things are responsible for the change of state of matter. Is it clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Habiba, you tell me. Habiba, you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about interparticle space. What do you mean by interparticle space?
Sir, the force of attraction that is there in the particles of matter is called the interparticle force.
Beta, I'm saying interparticle space. Don't do this mistake in the exam. Okay, I'm asking the
Sorry, sir.
question.
Sir, the space that is there in the particles of matter. Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, tell me.
The the space that is there in the particles of matter.
Okay, remember when asking for space, so it means that we are talking about the space. And when we ask you about the interparticle force, it means that we have to answer it in terms of force. Okay, when force is more between the particle, that is
Okay,
called
sir.
interparticle force. And when space is more between the particle, then it is interparticle space. Is it clear to you,
Okay, sir.
everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, I am again saying it to you. Please do it, read it again, the whole chapter again and
Sir,
again. If yes, Ira,
Sir, what kind of noises is coming? Cut, 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 cut.
who is tapping? Who is tapping? Who is tapping? Yes, I am saying to you again, your paper will be easy. Okay, just go through the chapter, do it again, read it again twice, thrice, four times. Okay, so that you can easily go through the assessment. Okay, test. Is it clear to you? If you have any
Yes,
kind
sir.
of doubt, still, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, WhatsApp me on my number, or if you have any kind of problem in writing the questions, you can also WhatsApp me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can made me check the questions also. Okay, in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. You can please tell me the
Sir.
chapter of chemistry.
Yes, what you are saying at all? Speak it clearly.
Sir, please you can send me the chapter of PDF of chemistry.
Yes, you can also send me PDF. And if you have any
Sir,
kind of, you
sir,
are
you can don't have.
I'm not getting you at all. You text me. What you are saying, you text me. You write WhatsApp. Okay, to me.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So one thing, beta, I'm again go through the activities also. You can read each and every single page in of chapter number one. You can
Sir,
read.
you will give activity also.
Maybe activity will come, or maybe it not come. I'm saying that go through the chapter. Okay, so that you can write if any kind of question will come. Your question will be coming from this chapter only. So go through the chapter. What happened? Who is doing? Who is tapping the table or anything? You are not serious, huh? Okay. So you can able to write the things also. You can write in your words if activities will come in or anything it will come. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. So class, for your practice, you can write in your rough copies also, that your speed and your way of writing will be more clear, and you can also check it yourself in which area you will making mistakes. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So I hope you will be preparing very hard for the test, and you will be able to get a very high marks, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Oh,
Inshallah.
inshallah. Okay. Mashallah, I saw very much number of students are responding to my questions. Okay. So show that your practice is good. So don't leave the practice. Go again and again. Okay. Because practice makes you better in every field. Okay. If you are reading chemistry or any subject. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
very few minutes are left. Please ask if you have any type of confusion or queries.
No, sir, there is no
Sir, can I
query.
ask you?
Yes, it's fast.
No,
Time is
sir,
running out.
no doubt, no query.
Sir, can I ask you
Yes,
about
yes,
cohesive force?
yes.
Cohesive force.
Okay. Beta, cohesive force. Remember, cohesive force are that type of force which exists, or it is attractive force which exists between same type of particles. Okay, this thing very important. Okay, same type of particle. If there are no same type of particles, there will be no cohesive force. Then there is another type of force that called as adhesive force. So in your course, only cohesive force is there. So remember, cohesive force exists only when there is only same
Same
type
type
of
of.
particles are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am again saying that yes,
Okay, sir.
read it every line carefully, because it may be fill in the blanks, may be true, false, it may be long questions answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your time is running out. Uh, I think only 1 minute is left for meeting to be over. Or if anyone is still